What's up, friends? Today's recipe will get you excited for the cold weather. We're cooking a creamy macaroni soup, or what we call sopas, a superstar for the rainy season in the Philippines. Sopas are originally made with chicken and hot dog. But to put a twist on our recipe, we're using crab sticks and quail eggs. Next, break one egg into a bowl and whisk it. Set aside your protein and let's start working on the texture of the soup. Sopas has a thick texture, so we're going to prepare our thickener. In a bowl, mix 1 cup cornstarch, crab and corn mix, and 1 cup of water. Mix well, then set aside. Now, to make it a flavorful soup, we're going to prepare our aromatics. Dice 1/8 cup onions and 2 cloves or 1/8 cup garlic. Before we start cooking, make sure to have these ingredients ready. 2 tablespoons margarine, 1/4 cup fish sauce, 1 tablespoon salt, half tablespoon pepper, 2 cups evaporated milk, and chopped spring onions for our garnish later. Don't forget your macaroni shells and veggies. Let's start cooking. Preheat 2 tablespoons of margarine. Once hot, saute garlic and onion until golden brown. Put 16 cups of water. Add flavor by adding 1/4 cup of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon salt, half tablespoon pepper, and let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes. Once you see it boil, put the macaroni shells and let it cook for 4 minutes. Add mixed vegetables, crab sticks, and let it boil for about 4 minutes. Now add quail eggs and then add our cornstarch and crab and corn soup mixture. Let it boil for 1 minute, then add 2 cups of evaporated milk. Let it boil for 1 minute, then pour the egg and immediately mix it to create strands of egg in our soup. Yum! Another craving satisfied. What other cravings do you have? Let me know in the comment section below so we can make it in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button if this video made you hungry. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.